Welcome to CREQUITY.AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate a complete loan quote without logging into the platform. This step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly how to enter your information, verify your email, and receive your full loan report with amortization schedules, interest breakdowns, and payment summaries. Let's get started. Navigate to the main CREQUITY.AI website. Click the Receive a Free Quote button located in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear describing how the tool generates a personalized loan quote and detailed amortization schedule based on your data. Click Get Started to move forward and initiate the loan quote creation process. Fill in your legal first and last name. Provide a valid email. This is where your full loan report will be sent. Choose from Property Acquisition, Refinance, Rate, Term, Refinance, Cash Out, DSCR, Bridge Rehab, Bridge Stabilization. Type the complete property address for accurate valuation. Choose the correct address from the drop-down. The system may auto-estimate property value based on this selection. If prompted, fill in any missing address details such as street number. Click the loan amount field and enter the requested loan value. If the system does not auto-calculate, enter the estimated property value manually. Choose the credit bracket that best represents your score. Options include annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly. Choose the asset class, for example, single-family, multifamily, mixed-use, commercial. Choose your preferred repayment structure. Click Submit Request to send your information for processing. Now you will need to select the loan category that fits your project. Flex 50, Acquisition, Construction, Refinance. After choosing the best loan category, click Continue to proceed with the loan quote generation. If any address fields require correction, update them before proceeding. A verification code will be emailed to you. Open your inbox to retrieve it. Copy the code provided in the email. Paste the code into the verification field. Click Verifying to initiate the verification process. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your loan quote is complete. Your full report has been emailed. This report includes amortization schedules, payment summaries, and full interest breakdowns. You can now receive the report, or you can click Calculate Another Loan to start a new loan quote calculation and run additional scenarios.